Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I have for you the Fuzion 2021 Valentine's Day collection featuring 4 beautiful colors, as well as stick around. I also have a watch me work too. So let's get started with swatching these. First, I have XOXO. This milk bath color, I'm going to say milk bath because it's just one of those. It's got pieces of hearts in there as well as some pretty sparklies. Just look at that. Now I'm swatching Love Bug, and this is a purple with pretty pieces of silver in it. I'm also not packing this on very thick because I like to realistically swatch my swatch sticks with how I'm actually going to apply this onto a client. So I'm just leaving it like that. So this one is flirty. It is so pretty. Like, just love it. I'm sorry my camera is sucking at being out of focus here. And then we have Crush. I love this. You want an in-your-face pink that's sparkly without, well, being too in your face, I suppose. This is it. I just love it. And it paired really nicely with Love Bug in my little demonstration here to follow. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the little color samples on the lids. I just do a dab of the color and seal it in with some top coat, and don't forget to cure them. Here are the swatches. Aren't they cute? Alright, let's get going on the little watch me work here. So I've already gone ahead, sculpted all her nails. This is a fresh set, and I did file and shape her extensions. Now I'm going in with some Ugly Duckling No Wipe top coat because I have something a little different for you guys. I'm going to show you how to embed stamping using gel. Now you're like, what? Now just watch. So this in particular stamp pairs with writing, and I wanted the French tip to be the color Flirty. So I took a corresponding color from Clear Jelly and I stamped it down. Now I'm going to fill it in. It's really hard to see. I tried to zoom in as best as I could here for you, but I can see it. The outline to the writing though, I'm just outlining it with the gel. And then after I am finished that, I am just going to swap out to my gel brush and go in with the full color. You'll see that here shortly. So now taking Flirty, I'm putting it as the French tip here on the middle fingers and just giving it a good fade back with my Ugly Duckling ombre brush. Now I'm taking that XOXO and I'm applying it in the middle of the Flirty ombre, and I'm just pulling it forward on top of Flirty a bit, and then of course fading it back into the nail bed. If you feel like you don't have enough hearts in there or too many, you can always just easily pluck them out. I added one more because I just felt like it was needed. Now on the ring finger, I'm taking XO again, and I'm doing 2 individual coats. This stuff does get warm. My client was tapping her middle finger like crazy in that UV light. She said it burned. She was being tough though, so I give her credit for that. So make sure you definitely do 2 coats of that. Anyways, now I'm taking Love Bug and I'm just putting it in the back section of the nail on the pinky and thumb. And then I'm going in with Crush and just fading it that right in. And it looked really pretty. I quite loved it. Alright, our gel colors are all applied now, and I'm just going to go ahead and sculpt. I'm going to do all that boring stuff off camera, and we'll be back to do some art. Okay, now that her nails are all shaped and buffed and ready to go, I'm using Ugly Duckling Tackless Top Coat and applying it to these 3 fingers. I always like to do a no wipe top coat when I'm stamping because it just helps the stamp transfer super smooth. It's like a magnet. You've probably heard me say that before, but see, this is where the reveal happens with this writing and French tip. Look how cool that looks, you guys. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna finish up here with the last little bit of stamping to her other 2 fingers, and I'll leave you guys to it to watch. So now I'm just taking that Magic Gel Hyper Shine top coat and sealing this stamping in. Thank you to Talia, who discovered that this stuff does not separate on top of stamping. So here they are. Aren't they lovely? Oh gosh, just love them. So happy Valentine's Day, folks, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to all of my social media. Thanks. Take care, and we'll see you in next Wednesday's video. Bye!